Jury selection continues this morning in the case against Juan Hammond. He's accused of killing a murder witness in 2009.
Hammond's first trial was dismissed. The second ended in a mistrial. Now the third trial is underway. WLKY's Christina Moore is live at the Judicial Center with more. Christina?
Good morning. Yeah, we're only one day in, but it seems like the case is already plagued with issues that the first two trials saw, including people not wanting to testify and missing evidence. So Hammond is accused of hiring a hitman to kill Troya Shekels in 2009. She was scheduled to testify against Hammond's brother in a different case. Now some of those same issues that shut down the first two trials are resurfacing, like witnesses who already say they don't want to take the stand.
There's an issue that's come up regarding witnesses, and I think both parties agree that we'd be better off knowing Mr. Kinnison's intent before we begin jury selection.
Now, of course, it depends on how long jury selection goes, but it is possible that those opening statements could happen today.
There's another issue about evidence, right?
Monica, yes, 84 pages of evidence are missing, and that certainly could affect this trial.
All right, Christina Moore reporting live for us. Thank you.